Example number 1. Who is speaking? Hanan Mateen, you were not there over there. Hanan Mateen,
Sir, I was there in the meeting.
you didn't call your name? A crane pulls up a car of mass 500 kilograms to a vertical height of 4 meters. Calculate the work done by the crane. Copy लिखिए mass of car 500 kilograms, vertical height 4 meters. Work done equals to force into displacement. Force is 500 in force is basically mg into h. So always remember one thing: when our body is being pulled up vertically or thrown down vertically, work done is always equal to mgh. Don't use fs for that case. Always use mgh in that case. Understood? So work done is mgh 500. G is how much? 9.8 into height is how much? 4. Find the value quickly, everyone. 196,000 joules. Hurry up, copy down.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Second example. A force of 10 Newton displaces a body by a distance of 2 meters at the angle of 60 degree to its own direction. Find the amount of work done. A force of 10, लिखिए force equals to 10 newtons. Displacement is 2 meters. Theta equals to 60 degree. Work done equal to Fs cos theta. 10 into 2 into cos 60. 20 into 1 upon 2, it is equals to 10 joules. Please do it quickly. The very, very basic questions.
Sir, done.
Third question. A boy of mass 40 kg climbs up a flight of 30 steps, each 20 cm high, in 2 minutes. And a girl of mass 30 kg does the same in 1.5 minutes. A boy of mass 40 kg climbs up a flight of 30 steps, each 20 cm high, in 2 minutes. So mass of boy 40 kg. They are saying 30 steps of 20 cm each. Total height equals to 30 into 20. Is 6 meters. Total height is 6 meters. All right. So work done by the boy equal to mgh 40 into 10 into 6. It is 2400 joules. For a girl पाइए. Mass of girl, how much? 30 kg. ठीक है. Height is same, 600 meters. Amount of work done, how much guys? mgh. So that is mass is how much? 30 into 10 into 6. It is 1800 joules. Compare करिए. Work of boy, work of girl, Four is to 3 is the answer.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you have taken 10 to convert it into Newtons.
That is what I am putting G for. That is what I am putting 10 for.
Sir, why haven't we taken 9.8 here?
Doesn't matter. In this question, G is given to us 10. आप डिस्कशन पढ़ नहीं रही हैं इसका मतलब.
Yes, sir.
That is why. If it is not given, take 9.8. If it is mentioned G equals to 10 meter per second square, you should take it 10. All right. Then the second part of the question. Work done, the ratio of the power developed by them. The power developed by them, the power is work upon time. Power of boy, work upon time. Work was 2400 upon time is 1.5 minutes, or you can convert it into seconds, because जब हम पावर निकालते हैं तो हमको टाइम को सेकंड्स में ही लगाना चाहिए. Power of a girl, work upon time 1800 upon 1.5 into 60.
Sir, it is 2 in the case of boy.
It's 2 minutes.
That is not 1 minute, it's 1.5.
Sir,
Sir, in boy it is 2
boy
minutes.
case में
Okay, for boy it is 2 minutes. Fine. And the case of girl, it is 1.5 minutes. So you see, although they had unequal amount of work done, but still the power is same. Why it is so? Because they have taken a different amount of time. Because time taken is less for girl and is more for boy. The girl is doing work more efficiently, and so its power is equal to the power of boy. They might have done the unequal amount of work, but still their power can be same because the time taken is different. Is that fine with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. A force of 15 Newton is required to pull up a body of mass 2 kg through a distance of 5 meter along an inclined plane, making an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. Now I'm making a diagram for you for that purpose. Please make the diagram. Now you see very carefully one thing. Direction of force and direction of displacement are same still. That do not think that force is being applied on this line. It is not. Force is also applied along the inclined plane. And so the displacement and force are still at 0 degree with each other. They still are in same line. Understand? So जब हम work done calculate करेंगे तो don't, this is the catch in this question, don't use the formula 30 degree. W equals to, tell me the force is 15 and displacement is 5. You've got the answer 75 joules. The work done is 75 joules. All right. Now, always remember when anybody is there and you got to find the force of gravity on it, you have to use the formula mg. Or you want to find the weight of the body, formula is mg, right? So they're asking force due to gravity. What is that? mg. So the mass of body is 2 kg and the value of g is 9.8. That gives you 19.6 Newton. Newton force is applied by the force of gravity on the object. Now the third part is very important. They are asking the work done by force due to gravity. Then tell me what is the work done by the gravity? क्या करती है ग्रेविटी का वर्क? ग्रेविटी का फोर्स क्या वर्क डन करता है बच्चों?
It pulls the object towards itself, towards downward.
फिर से बोलिए बेटा.
सर वो डाउनवर्ड उसको पुल करता है ऑब्जेक्ट को, ग्रेविटी का फोर्स.
Okay, it pulls the body downward. So whenever body is going up, it has to do work against the force of gravity.
Yes, sir.
Right? And that will be equal to the force of work done by the force of gravity. And that is equals to m into g into h. So whenever in any equation you need to find the work done by the gravity, always first of all find out how much vertical height body has attained above the ground. Ground level से horizontal से कितना ऊपर vertical height body की आ गई है. Now other point, वो it might be traveling along the inclined plane, I told you yesterday, by any other way, taking the staircase or whatever. Ultimately we need to find how much height it has attained. So whenever we need to find the work done against the force of gravity, you must try to calculate what is the what is the vertical height body has attained above the ground level. So here also we have to find the height which body has attained traveling along the inclined plane, because work done जो निकाला है हमने अभी, it is because of force and displacement along the inclined plane. It is not because of the force of gravity. जब हम force of gravity का work done निकालेंगे, it will be along this height. Okay, so first of all, you need to find the force, the height. It's a right angle triangle you can see. So I can see it is a perpendicular. Use sine 30 perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That gives me height equals to 2.5 meters. It is 2.5 meter. So the height reached by the object is 2.5 meters. Understood? Now look here. Work done is a force of gravity equals to mgh. So mass is 2, g is 9.8, height is 5 upon 2. We cancel it. That gives us the value of amount of work done as 49 joules. 49 joules. So I find two things very interesting here. I don't know about you, but I am finding it. These are two different values. मैंने बॉडी को यहां पर पुश किया, फोर्स लगाया, it must reach here. Okay, work done is 75 joules along the inclined plane. But जब हम इसको against the gravity कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो 49 joules आ रहा है. आना तो सेम चाहिए, isn't it? सोचिए और बताइए कि डिफरेंस क्यों आया है. Give me one good reason for them quickly.
So the difference amount is used by the friction.
Because displacement is changed.
Can you think?
Because displacement is changed.
So when we move upward, friction force is also there.
Okay.
So it is opposing that.
Okay. Good. Fine. Let us understand this topic. Whenever an object moves on an inclined plane, there is always some force of friction acting against the motion of the object. तो जितनी एनर्जी इस बॉडी के पास होती है, जितनी एनर्जी इस बॉडी के पास होती है, जितना वर्क डन टोटल इस बॉडी पे किया जाता है, हमने इसमें फोर्स लगाया है, हमने इसमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट कॉज किया है, उससे वर्क डन आया है. उस वर्क डन में से कुछ वर्क डन फ्रिक्शन का लेस हो जाता है. फ्रिक्शन कुछ एनर्जी को कंज्यूम कर लेता है. तो डू नॉट थिंक कि जितना वर्क डन हमने कर दिया है वो पूरा का पूरा एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. कुछ पोर्शन क्या होगा उसमें से फ्रिक्शन की वजह से डिसिपेट हो जाएगा. आई एम सेइंग द वर्ड डिसिपेट. Dissipate means changing of energy in unuseful. In unuseful forms of energy. Understand? So what happens? जब बगन कैलकुलेट किया तो यहां से तो आया 49 जूल्स अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी और यहां से आया 75 जूल्स. So 75 minus 49, that is how much? इतना एनर्जी, इतना वर्क डन फ्रिक्शन की वजह से change into heat energy. कौन कौन ये बात समझ पा रहा है पूरी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. I think the question is clear to you all, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last question for the day, question number 5. Calculate the power of an engine required to lift 10 power 5 kilograms of coal. Per hour. So time is 1 hour. It is 60 into 60. Height, the mine is 360 meter deep. We got to find the power of engine. What is power equals to? Work upon time. What is work? mgh upon time. What is mass? 10 to the power 5. What is g? 10. How much is height? 360. On time taken 3600. ये सब cancel कर दीजिए. It is 10 to the power 5 watts. Now, whenever value is so big, 10 power 5, it is greater than 1 watt or 1000 watts. Convert करिए इसको kilowatts पे. याद रखिए बच्चों ये बातें. जब value 1000 watt से ज़्यादा हो, convert करिए उसे kilowatts में. So, it is 10 to the power 5 upon 1000. That gives you 10 to the power 2 kilowatt. Engine of power is, sorry, power of engine is 100 kilowatt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have got any doubt till here? बताइए. Any question, any doubt you want to ask me here?
No, sir.
Okay, then I'm stopping it here. I'm moving the class today till here only. Your homework, exercise second has got 31 theory questions. You have
Yes,
to write entire question in the copy. All of them,
Okay, sir.
all of you should write all these questions in the copy today. I will ask you any question randomly. And numericals will take in the batch only. All right, everyone.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
hope the
sir.
topic is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
topic is clear to you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
See you tomorrow then.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.